Welcome to the Business Safari. I'm Leo, and today we're exploring the savanna of market segmentation. Market segmentation is like dividing the animal kingdom into different species. It's about breaking down a broad market into smaller groups of consumers with similar needs or characteristics. Why is this important? Well, segmentation helps businesses understand their customers better, create more targeted marketing campaigns, develop products that meet specific needs, and use resources more efficiently. Now, let's look at the main types of market segmentation. We have four primary types: demographic, geographic, psychographic, and behavioral. Let's break each one of these down individually so we can get a better understanding. The demographic segmentation includes factors like age, gender, income, education level, and occupation. Demographics are the characteristics of a specific group of people and broadly defines who your market is. The geographic segmentation is about location. It could be as broad as a country or as specific as a neighborhood. For example, a car manufacturer might push its four-wheel drive vehicles and SUVs in rugged mountainous regions like the Swiss Alps or the Rocky Mountains in Canada, while promoting compact, fuel-efficient cars in densely populated urban areas like Tokyo or London. The psychographic segmentation dives into factors like lifestyle, personality traits, values, attitudes, and interests. This helps understand the why behind consumer behaviors and allows businesses to target consumers with similar mindsets and motivations, regardless of their demographic characteristics. Finally, behavioral segmentation looks at purchasing habits, brand loyalty, product usage, and benefits sought. Behavioral segmentation groups customers based on their actions and decision-making patterns when interacting with a business. This approach helps businesses tailor their strategies to match different customer behaviors and preferences. Just remember that most businesses use a combination of these segmentation types to really understand their target market. Here's a quick example that might help you understand this concept a little easier. A company selling running shoes might choose to target demographics, 25 to 40-year-olds. Geographic location, living in urban areas. Psychographic, health-conscious individuals. And behavioral traits. They run at least 3 times a week. By understanding this specific segment, the company can create products and marketing messages that really resonate with these consumers. Now, let's summarize what we've learned about market segmentation today. Market segmentation divides a broad market into smaller, more targeted groups. The 4 main types are demographic, geographic, psychographic, and behavioral. Segmentation helps businesses understand customers better and market more effectively. Most companies use a combination of segmentation types. Effective segmentation leads to more targeted products and marketing. And that concludes our business safari through market segmentation. I'm Leo, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful business videos.